Welcome to LMS application training. First, enter your username and password and click Log In. Once you're signed in, you will be able to see the courses and the timeline. In the timeline section, you can see the assignments and quizzes. You can sort them by date or you can sort them by course. You should be able to see the name of the assignment or quiz, the subject, and the due date. In the courses section, you will be able to see the courses that you are enrolled in all through the year. You can choose to see the courses in progress, the courses in the future, for example, as in the coming semester, or the past courses, for example, the past semester. If you click on Grades, you will be able to see your grades in the different subjects. You should be able to see the total grades in each subject. If you would like to find out more details about these grades, click on the subject name. Under the notification section, you will find any updates or anything that the teacher uploads. If you click a certain notification, you will be able to see more details about it. Click on Messages to check the sent or the received messages. You can search for a certain message. You can also search for a certain contact in case you want to communicate with someone specific. In the calendar section, you will find dates of the assignments, quizzes, and the activities that are related to the school or to the courses that you are studying. You can filter the events based on the courses. You can choose to see the events for all the courses or for a specific course. Settings enable you to customize the app. For example, you can change the language from English to Arabic or any other language. To check the details of a specific course, click on Courses. Then choose the course you would like to view. Now you should be able to see all the chapters in the course. Click a specific chapter to see its contents. If you click Announcements, you will be able to see anything that the teacher would like to communicate to all students. Announcements are just like channel books. If you click on the name of a chapter or a topic, you will be able to see all the files, videos, audios, or anything that the teacher has uploaded. You may also find a link to a forum where you can post your questions and get answers from either the teacher or your fellow students. You can also view any past questions that have been asked and the answers to them. To post a question to the forum, click Add a new discussion topic. Then write the subject of your topic and the question that you would like to ask. After you're done, click Post to Forum. Under each chapter, you might find assignments or quizzes. If you click on the assignment, you might find one of two things. You will either see a file that the teacher has uploaded for you to download and answer, then re-upload again, or you might find a description of how to solve the assignment and where to find it in the book, for example. You will also see the submission status, the time remaining before the deadline of the assignment, and the due date. If you would like to submit an assignment, click Add Submission. You can either choose to write the text online on the application itself or upload a file that contains your answers, or both, depending on what your teacher requires. After you're done, click Save. Now you will see that the submission status has changed and it became submitted for grading and not graded. Once the teacher corrects your assignment, you will find that it changes to graded. After the teacher grades your assignment, you will be able to find two sections, Submission and Grade. If you click Submission, you will find the assignments that you have submitted and the date in which you submitted them, the number of attempts you tried for this assignment, and you can also have the option to edit your submission. If you press Grade, you will be able to see your grade for this assignment. You can also find Annotate PDF, which might include any markings of the teacher or any comments on your assignment. You might also find Quiz. A quiz can be either an exam, midterm, or can be an assignment or something that you use for practice. Unlike the assignment, a quiz usually has a timer. If I click on a quiz, I will be able to see some details about it, like when it is open and when it closes, the time limit for it, and the grading method. If a teacher allows you to take the same quiz more than once, you will be able to see the grading method. A teacher might choose to give you the highest grade you get on the several attempts, or the first attempt only, or the last attempt, or to give you an average of all the attempts that you have tried for the same quiz. If you are not allowed to try the same quiz more than once, you will not be able to see the grading method. To start answering the quiz, click Attempt Quiz. Once you click Attempt the quiz, you will get a confirmation message. The confirmation message will contain information on the quiz, plus the time limit of it. If you are sure that you would like to start the quiz, click Send. Now the timer will start and you will have to finish the quiz before the time is up. You will be able to find a variety of questions on the quiz. For example, MCQ questions, drag and drop, completion, and other types of questions. You can navigate through the different pages of the quiz using the arrows or using Next and Previous. After you press Next on the last page of the quiz, you will find a summary of your attempt. This summary contains details of each question and whether you answered it or not. You might also be able to see whether you answered each question correctly or not, depending on whether the teacher allows you to see that right away or only when all students complete the quiz. If you would like to modify any of your answers, click Return to Attempt. Please note that while you are viewing the summary, the timer is still counting. If you are done, click Submit All and Finish. Once you click it, you will get a confirmation message. If you are sure, press OK. Now you should be able to see a review of your answers and the correct answers, depending on what the teacher chose. Please note that if the time is up at any point in the quiz, your answers will be automatically submitted. Once teachers grade your assignments or quizzes, you will be able to find their grades in the Grades section. Thank you for using LMS application.